Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a blank PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. First open your Foxit PDF editing software and click on this convert option, and here you will find this blank option and click here and create blank page. As is now blank page is now open, and also you can insert another blank page. I'll insert another 2 pages, and this 3 pages now created 3 pages, and here you can type text inside image and so on. Select home edit option, and here you will find this text option, and you can insert text here, and this is add text. You can type text here and so on, and see this. In this way you can create new PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.